Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not refresh feed on Instagram and iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to refresh your feed, you cannot do this on your iPhone on Instagram. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So basically it's nothing, just a network issue. You can easily fix it by refreshing your network. Now to do that, you just have to scroll down your control center, and from here you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with network settings. Then go for settings app here, but very first you have to go for App Store here. Go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find pending updates, tap on this update option to update your Instagram app. And once you have updated your Instagram app, you have to retry to refresh your feed on your Instagram app. To simply open your Instagram app after updating, and before that, you have to go for settings here, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find a connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back and here go for date and time, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set your date and time automatically. And after doing that, you just have to go back, open your Instagram app here. So open your Instagram app and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that there is any bug or any malware in your Instagram app. So not to fix that, you just have to go back, open settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage. Locate your Instagram app here, tap on offload app again. Now you just have to tap on reinstall app to completely reinstall your Instagram app on your iPhone. So it will fix all the bugs and the issues with your Instagram app, and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.